Today is the inauguration of Sky Kids Premium Daycare and Preschool. We are Aryan Presidency School. We have made a separate wing for daycare and preschool. It's called as Sky Kids. It's in Nagar Bhavi second stage. We welcome you all to our Sky Kids Daycare Premium. So our timings are 9 to 1, 1 to 5 and 9 to 5. Busy parents who are working, you want to leave your child, you can feel comfortable, leave your children here. And we also have weekend batches on Saturdays. If you want to leave your child just for a day also, you're most welcome. Also we have 1 hour, also 1 hour basis also we take just for an hour. Also if you have to go somewhere, you can just drop your kid and just be carefree, and we'll take care of your children here.
How many branches are there?
Right now, we have just started this one here. We are planning to start many more in other areas. Since Nagarbavi, we have been established here since past 20 years. So this is the first branch we have opened here.
Ma'am, how much trained the teachers are to
So
capable to handle?
all our teachers are Montessori and NTT and MTT trained. They're specialized in taking care of small children. Small children have different needs than elder children. In regular school, you have a schedule that you have to follow and all. Here we give more importance to children's development, the way they interact with the like social interaction with other friends, teachers, how they handle their taking care of themselves, and all the disciplinary actions. Slowly, we start to incorporate in their lives. So slowly, it's not a major change when you admit your child in a regular school. They have strict regulations, but this is more like a playhouse, play area where children are also comfortable. You must have seen today, no, none of the kids are crying. Otherwise, on a school's first day, you'll see all the kids, they'll be crying, and it's very hard for all of us to even take care of them. But today, nobody, not even one child was crying. So that shows the atmosphere makes a lot of difference. And we are trying, we have established this in Nagar Bavi. I request all the parents in and around, whoever are here, who are working, or you have nobody to take care of your children, most welcome to Sky Kids. We are here to take care of your children. What I want to tell the parents is, I understand now everyone is having a busy schedule. So even for me, if I have to go somewhere, my first thought will be, where will I leave my child? I want to leave my child in a safe atmosphere. We have CCTV cameras. We are giving access to all parents. All the teachers are trained. We have on-call nurses. We have medical assistants. We have personalized bus service wherever your child can be dropped. So we are very flexible that way. So one parent, the message I'd like to give the parents is, I know we cannot substitute being the parent, but we'll make Sky Kids your child's second home. So we'll make your children feel at home. We will take care of them with utmost care and love, and they will